right? So class file is generated. Now once class file is generated, what we have to do with this class file? Okay, we can execute this class file using interpreter. Hello world, and this is the output, right? So the learning point or teaching point here is Java C is a Java compiler. And what is the role of Java compiler? Java compiler will compile your source code and it converts into bytecode. It converts it into which code? It is called bytecode. Okay. So the language which is written inside this dot class file, this language is it is a bytecode language. It is in bytecode format. It is not human readable format, it is bytecode format. So which software or which tool or which program can understand this bytecode? The bytecode is understood by Java interpreter. This is my Java interpreter. So two things you have to learn here is, one is, first thing is Java C, lowercase. This is what? This is nothing but it is Java compiler. And what it does? It will create class file. You know, class file is created if there is no syntax error. And second software that we have studied is Java interpreter. And what it does? It will execute class file. Okay. So ultimately this is a two-stage process. Okay. Java program execution is a two-stage process. First, you convert your source code into which code? Bytecode, right? Bytecode means which file? Dot class file. And then you execute this bytecode using which software? Interpreter, Java. And what you will get? You will get output. Clear up to this? 2 points we have covered.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first one is you can execute Java program using any terminal, right? Any terminal is available online using which we can execute our program. And second point which is very important that I have discussed, that is Java program execution is a two-fold process. It is a two-stage process. First you have to compile your program, and next you have to execute your program. And for that there are two softwares available in Java. One is Java C to compile it, and second is Java only to execute it. So Java interpreter will execute it, Java compiler will compile it. Now what is a theoretical definition? If someone asks you as a computer science student that what is a compiler, okay, one more thing I would like to tell you, that whenever I take lecture, you keep one note ready with you, free, any rough book, so that small things you can note down. Okay. So compiler means what and interpreter means what? These are again special softwares. Okay. Anyone knows what are the types of software? How many types of there for software? Yes. Savalya, Unnati.